Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, we made it to day 5 on our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and we've got another incredibly cool prize for you today. But before I get to this, not a lot of people knew that Mrs. Claus had a real sense of humor. And it was Christmas Eve, and Santa and her were sitting in front of the fire, all comfortable, and Santa heard the wind blowing outside and the snow going past the window, and he said to Mrs. Claus, "Honey, would you mind going over to the window and just taking a look outside? We've got to load the sleigh up really soon and head out there and start delivering presents to all the good kids out there." So she got up from her chair, and as she walked to the window, you could see a small smile forming on her face. She pulled back the curtain, she looked outside, and then looked to Santa and said, "Sorry, it looks like rain, dear." Now, I know I've told that joke on other Christmases. It's one of my favorites. Anyway, on the 5th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Echo Show 5. That's right. Now, if you don't know what this is, you must have been living under a rock for the last couple of years. But anyway, it's a smart speaker. You plug it in, it connects to your internet, and then you can do a lot of things with it. You can ask it questions. It'll give you answers. You can ask it the time of day. You can talk about traffic. You can get the weather. You can turn appliances on and off in your home if you've got a smart home. It does a lot of cool things. You can even look at outdoor cameras on it. So this is the one that has the screen on the front. And it's a 5-inch screen. It's a wonderful product. I've got these all over the house, and honestly, it kind of takes that dad factor away, because when I was younger and the kids were younger, they'd ask me a question, and I could give them any answer, and they would believe me. And a lot of times, maybe I was faking it a little bit. This takes all that faking out of the conversation, because when they ask me a question and I answer it, they can go, "Hold on, you know who?" I won't say the name because I have a couple here in the shop, but "Excuse me, is this the answer that should be out there?" And then this comes back and it completely contradicts me, which makes me look foolish. But anyway, it's a great product. I've got them all over the house and I really enjoy it. You're going to enjoy it too. Now, the contest could not be simpler. Down below, there's a link. Hit that link, enter your email address and your username on YouTube, just so we can get a hold of you. We're not going to hang on to your emails. I say this in every one of these giveaways. I don't care about your email. I'm not going to harvest them and send you spam. So we're going to get rid of them. But after 7 days, we're going to look at all those emails. We're going to close our eyes, and we're going to pull one out at random. We're going to put this in a box and we're going to ship it to you. Now, I don't care where in the world you live. I say this every time. We'll ship internationally. I just want a winner out there to win this contest, feel good about it, and have this product show up in your mailbox so you can open it up and you can enjoy it. And you're going to be happy, and I'm going to be happy, and everybody's going to be happy. So enter the contest. Now, we've done 4 days already, and some of those contests are still live. So go back and look at day 1, 2, 3, and 4 and enter those contests, because every day you've got to enter for that particular product, because otherwise I'm going to get 5,000 emails and I won't be able to sort them out on who entered to what. So enter for today, enter those previous 4 days, and again, hang in there, because these next 7 days are going to be incredible. We've got 7 more really, really nice prizes we're going to give away, and you'll definitely want to be in on those. Matter of fact, I say this too, you might want to subscribe to the channel by hitting that icon down there and turning on the bell, and that way when I post a clip, you'll hear a ding on your phone, and you can come over here and you can enter the contest. And again, if you don't like the channel, just unsubscribe after Christmas. I won't hold it against you, I promise you, because we're doing this for you guys. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. I'll tell you, for me, I'm happy all the time, but I'm like happy squared around the holidays, because the family's around, you get a chance to see friends, you get to talk to people maybe you haven't contacted in a while. It's just a great time of year, and I really enjoy just that fellowship, that bonding with the family and friends. So I hope you guys are feeling that same experience around the holidays. Anyway, that's it for me today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, happy flying.